Christmas, my Christmas list. What is this illusion called? The innocence of youth may be only in our blind belief. Can we ever find the truth? Only